Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Finally, Cognizant 2025 Gen Z mass hiring assessment update is there. The communication test, the first phase test is on 17th April, means tomorrow. And the guys, currently the time is 1:08 am and I am recording video for all of you. I want to share each and everything with all of you that is related to Cognizant. So this video is very helpful and let's crack the Cognizant. Previously for the 2024 batch, 2025 batch, we created lot of free preparation playlist. So this is the playlist for the Gen Z and we will upload all the videos in the playlist. Okay, in the playlist you will find the 3 videos: resume format, Gen Z updated exam pattern. And guys, the registration deadline is extended for Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro and Gen Z. Okay, so let's start. So this type of mail is received by candidate 2025 Cognizant freshers hiring. Okay, if you used our resume and your resume is shortlisted and you received this type of mail, mention in the comment section yes that you received this type of mail and resume is shortlisted. Dear candidates, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have advanced to next step in the hiring process and are eligible for communication assessment schedule on April 17th. One most important point that I have to mention, if you see our previous video, so it is clearly mentioned that on the 9th April the one stop registration will be started and the screening process will be there. Screening process means your resume will be shortlisted. Okay, after that on 17th April means tomorrow your communication assessment will be scheduled. Round 1 is online. Round 2 is aptitude assessment, we can expect on 21st April and round 2 on 22nd April. So by 21 April and 22 April, 21 by we receive the aptitude test and 22 we receive the technical assessment test. Then the technical interview will be scheduled for either one of the role, Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro and Gen Z. Okay, so many of the candidates, they are joined our WhatsApp group. Okay, like this is group number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Many of the candidate mentioned they received the communication update receive. They received the communication, they received the communication. Many of the candidates are still waiting for that. So guys, one most important point, if you not receive any kind of update, please wait, because the examination in the form of phases means different dates are there. Okay, and I am strongly recommending everyone, please be advised that all forthcoming assessment necessitate a prior system check and setup. We request you to check the attached document to learn more about assessment prerequisites, do's and don'ts and perform the system setup well in advance. So you are giving the communication assessment, aptitude assessment and technical assessment. So with the mail, one document or one PDF is attached. Okay, you have to check out that PDF. That PDF is related to system check. That PDF is related to do's and don'ts. It is very important. And you will receive an email from Superset with the assessment link as per slot along all the details to perform the system readiness check in advance. Kindly keep a close check on your registered email ID. So the communication assessment mail, you will receive a separate email from the Cognizant team. Okay, similarly for the aptitude assessment, similarly for the technical assessment. Okay, so this type of mail I received, like I applied for hiring that is posted in the previous month, that is related to 2024 batch hiring. In that they mention your communication assessment on March 4, aptitude assessment on March 5th or 6th and technical assessment on 7th March. After that I received this type of mail: Cognizant invites you to take the communication assessment, then aptitude assessment, then technical assessment. And in the mail you will see this type: your assessment will only available on this date and the time. Okay, so you will receive separate mail, no need to worry about that. This is just related to assessment prerequisite. You are be ready for the test. Okay, because your test is scheduled on 17th April and today is 16th April. Okay, so let's discuss about the process as well as the application deadline is extended, so apply for that. This process I already tell in my previous video. If you still not check out previous video, you can go to our channel. You will find the Cognizant updated exam pattern, aptitude communication tech exam. No need to worry about that. And one most important point that I have to mention, it is mandatory to appear for communication, aptitude and technical assessment to be eligible for technical interview. Three of the assessment performance they will check Okay, after that your technical interview will be scheduled. Like it is example for the 2024 batch, many of the candidates are asking what is the phases, okay, and what why company is following the phases, because there are multiple candidates. Suppose 10,000 candidates applied for job opportunity, so they and 5,000 candidates is shortlisted, so they are not sending exam mail, all exam mails in a one date. Okay, they will shortlist, they will share in the phases, means different dates. So this is 2024 batch, like it is a previous month exam experience. First phase exam date is March 4. Okay, first phase result date is 14th March, like after 7 days of examination. First phase interview date is 28 March. Okay, second phase exam date is 13th March. Okay, third phase exam date is 10th April. So you see on my screen that in the March we received 2 exam date, in the April we received 1 exam date. So total 3 phases are considered and 3 different test dates are there. Okay, so this is called the phases, so no need to worry about that. Let's discuss about the most important step that is available in the PDF as well. Registration, screening will be there, your resume will be shortlisted, communication assessment is online. Okay, if you cleared the screening, means your resume is shortlisted, you will receive this mail. Then online assessment of second round, that is online aptitude assessment and technical, and you will shortlist for offline technical interview either for one of the role, Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro and Gen Z. After that, if you selected letter of intent, LOI will be there. Let's discuss about the communication assessment prerequisite. Guys, it is just a assessment prerequisite video and the update video of phases and everything. I will come up with the separate video for communication assessment, for the aptitude assessment, for technical assessment, so it will clear more. Okay, it will very helpful for all of you. Okay, first is communication assessment. It is mandatory assessment to further move your condition. Duration is 58 minutes. 4 sections are there: pronunciation, speaking fluency, grammar, listening comprehension. So basically section number A is reading and listening. Total 23 questions are there, 16 minutes of time are there. Section B is speak on topic. Total 4 questions are there, 7 minutes of time are there. Section C is English grammar. Okay, which consists of 34 question, 20 minutes of time. Section 4th is comprehension, which consists of 16 question. Okay, and it comprise of 15 minutes of time. So total 77 question, and most probably your time duration is 58 to 60 minutes. Total 1 hour time minutes are, total 1 hour is there for the communication assessment. No need to worry about that. I am coming with soon, I am coming with like a specific video for communication assessment, aptitude and technical, so it will very helpful for all of you. Let's discuss about our second assessment, that is aptitude assessment prerequisite. After completing the communication assessment on 17th April, we can expect the aptitude assessment as per timeline by 21st April. Okay, I am sure, let me check again. Okay, fine, 21st April aptitude assessment and 22nd April technical assessment. So in the aptitude assessment, total 80 minutes of time are there. 2 sections are there: quants aptitude and deductive and inductive reasoning gamified. Okay, there is no logical reasoning, guys, there is a game based aptitude test. So FT exam time 80 minutes, 2 sections are there: quant and game based aptitude. 30 question, 30 minutes for quant, 4 section, 9 minutes per section for game based assessment. And these are the section: deductive reasoning, switch challenge, gap challenge, complex planning capability, motion challenge, and inductive reasoning CLX. So this is the Cognizant aptitude exam pattern. I will also come up with the aptitude exam free preparation video and everything. Let's discuss about our third and most important assessment, that is technical assessment. Okay, don't confuse in skill cluster 1, 2 and 3. At the time of registration, I already mentioned that. Okay, like suppose you choose additional cluster, you choose cluster 2 or cluster 3, any of the one. If they allocate you one of the cluster, so the process will be follow either your either the by default cluster is skill cluster number 1 and you have to give examination in Java, NC SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Fine. So this is technical assessment details for skill cluster number 1 and cluster number 2 and cluster number 3. Simple, very simple. In cluster 1, Java is there, NC SQL is there, okay, and HTML, CSS, coding, web UI is there. Okay, this is cluster number 1, CL1. And CL2, Python will be there, SQL will be there, and cloud MCQs will be there. Okay, and cluster number 3 is related to C Sharp and similar as SQL and web UI, that is HTML CSS. Okay, so this is the pattern of technical assessment cluster 1. Total 5 questions are there: Java 2 coding, SQL and HTML CSS 1 question. Cluster 2 Python 2 coding question, SQL 2 question and cloud MCQ 10. Cluster 3 is C Sharp 2 coding question, SQL 2 question, HTML CSS JS 1 question. Total 5 questions are there. So this is all about the technical assessment. Guys, you will receive the update that is related to communication assessment. This is a assessment prerequisite video, and I suggest everyone to do the system check. Please read the do's and don'ts. It is very important. They clearly mention, and be ready with your one of the laptop that you have to crack the opportunity, and mention in the comment section, let's crack Cognizant or crack Cognizant. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video, and everything I already shared with all of you. Thanks for watching the video.